Hi guys, and welcome back to my course. In this video, we will learn about the spread operator. The spread operator allows arrays and objects to be expanded into elements in case of array and key value pairs in case of objects. Let's try an example to understand it better. Say we have this array, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we try running something like this, so the spread operator and array. So it prints an array with 5 elements, the exact same 5 elements which were in this array1. So what it did was it expanded our array elements of array1, and because we're using these square brackets, so it created a new array with the same elements. So if I do something like this, say array2 on array1, let's try printing array2 here. So as you can see, we still get the same result. So what's happening here is this piece of code, it creates a copy of the first array. So if you remember, in one of the JavaScript videos, we talked about a reference issue. So if we do something like this and we update our array, say push 6, and we try printing both the arrays, say array1 and 2, both the arrays get affected. But if you use the spread operator to create a new array, so it creates a new array, it just doesn't give you a reference. So as you can see, the second array has only 5 elements, but the first one got updated. So this spread operator gives you one way of creating copies of arrays. It can also be used to concatenate multiple arrays. So let's say we had 6, 7, 8 here, and now you wanted to create a new array with these elements. So let's say array3. Normally what you would do is array1 dot concatenate array2. If you print the third array, it gives you an array with all these elements combined. Now another way could be using the spread operator. So empty array. So here you can fill in data from first array and the second array. So and array1, it brings all the elements from first array, comma, array2. So it brings all the elements from the second array. So let's save it. And as you can see, we still got the same set of elements. So that's how you can use this spread operator to concatenate multiple arrays. Similarly, if you had more arrays, you could simply do comma, etc., etc. Also, the sequence matters. So if I just change it to this, so now we have 6, 7, 8 first, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just a small thing to remember. Similarly, it can also be used to add new elements to the start or the end of the array. Say we wanted 0 at the start, so we can do 0, comma. So as you can see, 0 is appended to the start of the array. Similarly, say we wanted 9 at the end. So as you can see, it's appending 9 at the end of the array. Basic stuff, but it comes really handy once you start writing really complex code. You can perform all these actions on objects as well. So let's give that a try. So let's just quickly comment this. So let's say object1, let's say name John. Let's create another object. So object2, so age, say 28. And we wanted to concatenate all the fields from object1 and object2 and create a new object. So in that case, we can simply we can use this spread operator. So object1, so it brings all the key value pairs from the first object, comma, and object2, so it brings all the key value pairs from second object. So if we try printing it, so as you can see, it's giving us a new object with keys from object1 and object2. So if we add another key here, say last name, Lark, so it gives us key values from first object and key values from second object. And that's a wrap for today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of spread operator. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.